Imagine having all your important files and documents accessible anytime and anywhere without relying on cloud services or paying hefty subscription fees. Well, Omaha Computing Solutions walks you through the process of setting up your very own network-attached storage (NAS) system for both Linux and Windows operating systems. Firstly, they explain that a NAS is like a personalized cloud storage system for your home or office network. It allows you to centralize your data, share files across multiple devices, and even stream media to your TV or mobile devices. The best part? You have full control over your data's security and privacy. Omaha Computing Solutions breaks down the setup process into simple steps that even tech novices can follow. They start by outlining the hardware requirements, which include a computer with spare storage capacity, a wired or wireless router, and the hard drives you plan to use for storage. Next, they guide you through the software installation process. They recommend using open-source software like OpenMediaVault for Linux users and FreeNAS for Windows users. These applications make setting up and managing your NAS a breeze, thanks to their user-friendly interfaces and robust features. Once the software is up and running, Omaha Computing Solutions explains how to configure your NAS to ensure optimal performance and security. They cover essential tasks like creating user accounts, setting up shared folders, and enabling remote access. They also provide tips on RAID configurations for data redundancy and backup strategies to keep your files safe. Throughout the guide, Omaha Computing Solutions sprinkles in handy tips and troubleshooting advice to help you overcome common challenges. From network connectivity issues to data transfer speeds, they've got you covered every step of the way. By the end of their tutorial, you'll have a fully functional NAS system that meets your storage needs and fits your budget. Whether you're a home user looking to safeguard your family photos or a small business owner in need of a reliable file-sharing solution, Omaha Computing Solutions empowers you to take control of your data storage and management. In conclusion, setting up a DIY NAS for Linux and Windows doesn't have to be daunting thanks to Omaha Computing Solutions' comprehensive guide. With their expert advice and easy-to-follow instructions, you can turn any spare computer into a powerful storage hub that enhances your digital life. So why wait? Start building your own NAS today and unlock the full potential of your data storage experience.